So today we'll be going over how to replace the worn out trunk emblem on your BMW, specifically the E46 chassis. To do this you'll need a set of trim removal tools, a microfiber towel, and the new emblem. So we'll begin by removing the old emblem, and we'll start by holding the microfiber towel up to the emblem to protect the paint, and then carefully using the trim removal tool to work underneath the emblem till it comes off just like that. So you can replace the grommets that the emblem snaps into. New ones came in the kit that I bought. However, these ones are in good shape, so I'm just going to reuse them. So installing the new emblem is as simple as lining up the pins with the grommets and pressing it in. And finally, you're going to want to carefully remove the protective plastic cover from your new emblem.